Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Khalif Kais from Pusat CSC098 Dengkil. Today I'm gonna make a tutorial how to calculate sum, average, and COUNTIF. First of all, I'm gonna show you guys how to calculate using sum in the Microsoft Excel. So this is the example of how a teacher can calculate the sum of their student marks during a test. So now I'm gonna put all the data that I have into the blank column. So here's the part that you guys need to pay attention, because this is where the part I want to show you guys how to use the sum formula. First of all, you guys need to enter equal sign and then type sum, choose sum. For the number 1, you guys need to choose the box that you guys wanted, such as I am using the B5, C5 and D5, which is the marks for the student named Ali in test 1, test 2 and test 3. As you guys can see, it will automatically calculate the sum. So next, hold the green bar and drag until the last row. It will calculate for the rest of the students' marks. Moving on, now I'm gonna show you guys how to calculate average for the students' marks. So now I'm just gonna copy all the data above and paste it to the average section and use the same data that I used before. And now I'm gonna show you guys the formula for average. Equals, type average and then choose average, and same, choose the column that we use. So now I'm choosing the B17, C17 and D17. You guys can choose to tap on the box or type on the section above. And that's the average of the student's mark named Ali. So for the rest, you guys can just hold the box and drag it down until the last column, and it will calculate the rest of the student's mark. Now for the last one, I'm gonna show you guys what is the function of COUNTIF. So the COUNTIF function is to calculate how many data that contained in one criteria or range. So I'm gonna put all the data now. Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. I'm gonna show you guys how the COUNTIF works and how to use it. So here I'm gonna choose test 1 as my data that I want to calculate. So we want to calculate how many students that gets 10 marks, 9 marks and 8 marks in the test 1.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
Yes, now to use the COUNTIF, you guys need to use the equal sign and type COUNTIF. For the range, choose the test 1 marks, all of them, and then for the criteria, choose the marks that you guys want. For me, I choose the first one is 10. So here we can calculate how many students that get 10 marks for test 1.
In number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Okay, so now we want to calculate how many students that get 9 marks in the test 1. So just use the same formula, equal sign and then COUNTIF. For the range, choose the test 1 marks for all the students. And for the criteria, we choose the student that gets 9 marks. And then it shows that only one student have got 9 for the test 1.
Plans through the highways, and on we'll go.
So next, I'm gonna calculate how many students that get 8 marks during test 1. We use the same formula, equal sign, COUNTIF, and for the range, choose all the marks in test 1. And the criteria we choose is the student that who get 8 marks. And then it shows only 3 students that have 8 marks.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
So now I'm gonna calculate for test 2, and you guys can see.
Wastelands through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
So that's all the tutorial for basic formulas using Microsoft Excel for sum, average and COUNTIF. If you guys have any question, just comment down below.